A portable juice blender is a compact, battery-operated or USB-powered device designed for quickly and conveniently making fresh fruit or vegetable juices on the go. You can simply add your ingredients, press a button, and within about 15 seconds, it blends.
A measurable spoon is a kitchen utensil designed with markings or graduations on its surface, allowing you to accurately measure ingredients like spices, powders, or liquids. These markings are typically.
A brush with a soap dispenser is a cleaning tool that combines a brush or scrubber with a built-in soap reservoir and dispenser. This design allows you to dispense soap directly onto the cleaning surface while you scrub, making it more convenient and efficient for tasks like dishwashing, cleaning surfaces, or scrubbing pots and pans. It simplifies the process by eliminating the need for a separate soap container and ensuring a consistent application of soap while you clean.